Hello guys, good morning guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel, and this is a very new video which I'm doing a series of video. I just finished my backpacking around the Europe. I'm back in my home now, so I'm going to tell you everything what I did and how you can also guys can do backpacking around the Europe, just a fraction of your budget guys. So before starting, do a series of videos regarding the Europe, everything I'm going to share with you guys. So do subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit those bell icons so that you will get a notification when I upload a new video guys. Wasting much time, let's get started. Today for Europe, it's very important thing, the four very important, not just Europe, anywhere you travel, the four main important things are visa, flights, and third is the accommodation and food, and fourth is the local transportation. So visa, already I spoke about the Schengan Visa, and I done a very good informative video regarding that. You can see in my bell icons over here, give in the description of this video. Go and check out and watch the full video guys. It has got bundle of information. Like I said, let's go to the second topic, and that's the flights. How to get into Europe with so cheap or in budget. So it's very hard to get to flight for Europe from India, especially from India. It's been way above 50 or 60,000 guys. I've seen that. So I'm going to break down you everything, how you can also guys can do cheap booking. So normally people usually book with the agencies and so on, so they pay very hefty amount. With the fingertips on your mobile, you can book the flights to Europe and you can enjoy Europe guys. So okay, Europe is a main dream destination for everyone. So for that, first when you're booking the flights, open Skyscanner. Most of you people know that Skyscanner, but there's something which many guys don't know, that actually when you open the Skyscanner, put the origin place and any origin place in India, or you can just put India also. It will sort out from which place is the best fare, and you can put the destination any cities in Europe or in Schengen area, and so that you can sort it out. And apart from that, when you go for the dates, you don't know, or else you can put also like can't say, and so that also will show which is the cheapest European destination you can fly. True. And apart from the date, go for the month, and not the month. Don't put the month. Just go on to the top. You can see a small box called as cheapest month. Click on that. So that will be on the top, and return also you click the cheapest month and just give a search. So you can see all the flights which is very cheap for Europe from Indian, various Indian destination. You can try, you can do some permutation combination with the different cities. You can play around like Delhi, Mumbai, which are international airport you have got, Cochin, Hyderabad, and so. So you can just try which destinations or which because it tend to change every time. The algorithm tend to change, so I cannot guarantee from which city, Indian city, is the cheapest flight for Europe. So having said that, so what you guys has to do right now is that you check date and click, and you can see that whole month. It may, now it's September month, it may show you of December also. So if you are free that time, only you have to be flexible guys. If you want to really make a budget trip to anywhere around the world, so you have to be flexible with everything. So dates or cities or origin or everything. So that's how it is. So you can search that, you can play around, you can put multiple, the cheapest month you can put, and put for different destination, different origin, and so on. So you'll definitely find something very interesting. That's what I guarantee you guys. And second website is that Momando is also a very good website. You can find, because there is direct competition between Skyscanner and the Momando. So these two guys compete who can give the cheapest flight rates, and so you can also get a cheaper flight rate with Momando sometimes, so which you cannot find in Skyscanner. So check Momando also. It's a momando.com. I'll giving all these websites in my description. You can go and check. And third is that kiwi.com. So kiwi.com is one of the websites that's also not has on par to the Skyscanner or Momando, but still it's doing a great website and really cracking deal. Sometimes you'll get a steal of a deal. So don't forget to check in the kiwi.com also. It's one of the best website. And apart from that, you can also after seeing all these three websites, if the flight rates is really cheap from the third party website, so you can book from that. Before booking that, you can just check with the airline website also, whichever airline they are showing the rates, and you can check with them. If it is literally the same or less, sometimes it may be less, and so you can book from that. You can have the opportunity to change your flight, modify your flights to any dates or any this thing, so it will be hassle free, much of the hassle free. Where in third party app, like a third party website, once you book, it will be difficult for modification. Hope you won't modify, since you are flexible, so there won't be an issue for modification. But still, I'm keeping my word with you, so in case if you want to modify, you can do that modification, guys. So apart from that, you have to check all the airline website, whichever airlines you want to fly with. And apart from that, if one more thing is that you can cut break your travel to Europe in between India and Abu Dhabi. You can fly to Abu Dhabi if you have Emirates ID, or if you have this 5-year visa program or golden visa, whatever visa UAE provides. If you have that, you can also travel to UAE, and from Abu Dhabi you can take Wizz Air. I shown you the screenshot of October 2, that 40 euro you can go for Budapest, which is in Schengen area, and definitely travel all over Schengen area through the land. And it's awesome deal. Like you can get like 30 euro also sometimes, but just keep an eye on the Wizz Air. And if you are able to travel to Abu Dhabi, it's a steal, guys. So from in many Indian airports you have direct flights to UAE, so you can just fly there. If you're not able to fly to Abu Dhabi, you can fly to Dubai. From there you can take 25 dirhams of bus to Abu Dhabi, and you can take the flight Wizz Air. If it is steal, if it's really like less than 40 euro or 50 euro, definitely it's a steal. So you can book that like 50 euro, 100 euro means 8,000 rupees. You can go and come back to Abu Dhabi again. From Abu Dhabi to India again, you need to search the flights. Maybe you'll get for 15,000 or 20,000 or 22,000, somewhere around that. But still, like if you add that, it's at just 30,000, and plus visa, if you're adding that extra visa, so it will be around 36,000 again. So definitely it's a steal, guys. So where you will be, the flight tickets more will from India direct to Europe will be above 50,000. So here it's just 36 all included. So it's very good if you are traveling. So you have to take Abu Dhabi UAE visa if you are traveling via Abu Dhabi on a multiple airline to take the visa. So that's how it is, guys. So before wrapping up, I just want to say that I'm doing the next video will be of accommodation, how I spent in Europe almost 90 days. I think around 88 days. So without 90% of them I stayed for free. How also you guys can stay there Europe and go around. It's a dream for everyone to travel Europe on a budget rate. Definitely you guys also can do it, being flexible. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like this, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification. My next video is coming up soon. I'm getting ready with that. So without missing much time, guys, this is the time for wrap up of this video. Hope you guys liked it. It's a short and beautiful video. Thank you, guys. I love you all. You do whatever you want to do. Travel with me whole world. Thank you, guys.